Hello real traders, welcome to my channel. So before going to trade, I need to ask you, please watch the video till the end to understand all of the concepts and you learn completely. So it is important, please watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's take some trades. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, I wanna go with the buyers. Oh, a little bit late entry. So I placed here a higher option because of this candle. This candle confirm us this is a uptrend. The uptrend will start from here. So you can see there is a new high and this candle will confirm us the market will go up, but a little bit late entry, but I expect it close above my entry. So let's see. So the uptrend will start from this level and the market will go up. Okay, you can see a buyer's entry. The next level is here. So let's wait. Okay, we are seeing a buyer's entry. Okay, so here I can go with the buyers again. So I placed a higher option because you can see the next level is here. Still there is a gap and you can see a bullish momentum here. So the market will go up and try to reach the level. Okay, you can see again a buyer's entry because of bullish momentum. Okay, they are trying to break the level. A strong buyer's entry. Okay, so you can see this candle is very strong candle. Let me search for a level. Okay, here we have a level. So the very strong candle is sign of reversal. Okay. So the sellers enter very fast. This is not a right entry point. So this very strong candle is sign of reversal and the market will reverse, but it will be late entry. Okay, I can go with the buyers from this level, but I don't recommend you to trade like this. I expect a rejection here because of round number. So I can expect a rejection here, but I don't recommend you to trade like this. It is dangerous because I missed the right entry for lower option. I placed a higher option with marginal safety because of this round number, you can see, with 2 zeros. So let's see. Okay, you can see this is a winning trade because of rejection. Okay, let me check. Okay, I can go with the buyers, but let's wait for better entry. Okay. Oh, a very late entry because of fast momentum. Okay, let's see. So this candle reject from the round number and this is a bullish momentum, but it is very late entry. I'm not sure here. Okay, let's wait. Because of fast momentum, I got a very late entry. Okay, we have 2 seconds. Okay, so this is also a winning trade. This was my luck. It was a very late entry, but anyway, I got a winning trade. This is my first trade. So I placed here a higher option because of this candle. So let me show you. You can see the market is going up and here I expect the uptrend will start. So this candle was a confirmation that the uptrend will start, and you can see it made a new high. This is a continuation candle and it confirms us the uptrend will start. So I placed a higher option. Okay, so this is my second trade because the next level is far still. This is the next level, and you can see still there is a big gap to the next level, and this is a bullish momentum. You can see so many buyers in the market, they are strong, so we can go with the buyers here, and you can see how strong buyers enter here. Okay, so here I missed the right entry. You can see, let me show you, there is a level, you can see some reversal here. So the market is respecting this level, and the candle is very strong. This candle, it is very strong, a sign of reversal, and this strong candle close at the level. I show you there is a level, right? We saw so many reversal from this level, and this strong candle close at the level, this level. So we can expect a reversal here, but I missed the right entry. That's why I placed a higher option here, because I expect a rejection because of the round number. Okay, let me show you, there is a round number, you can see, with 2 zeros. So I expect a rejection here, but I don't recommend you to trade like this. It is a little bit risky. Okay, and this is my last trade because of this bullish momentum. You can see a bullish momentum here, and one single candle cannot stop this force. There is a rejection from this round number also, so we can expect a buyer's entry, but I got a very late entry, but it was my luck. You can see this is also a winning trade. Okay, so this was for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe in my channel. Your support will inspire me to make more videos, and also don't forget to join in my Telegram channel. The link is in video description. Thank you. Good day.